first met Henry when he was coaching my son's basketball team. He's a pretty incredible guy. He would run up and down the court with the boys, cheering them on, encouraging them. Just all around really good guy. And then after the season, we heard about his terrible accident.
So we were on a family vacation and we decided to go parasailing. I slipped off and I went under, and the motor was still running on the parasail boat, and it severed my legs completely off.
So it really wasn't until I seen him for the first time in person that I realized, what the magnitude of his injury was. We saw his son struggling to get the wheelchair out of his car and trying to get Henry out of the front seat into the wheelchair. At that point, I just realized, how something that used to be so simple has now become so difficult. We decided we wanted to help, so we contacted 1-800-CHARITY-CARS and told them we wanted to donate our van.
We were very happy to get involved in this project. He brought the van in, we did full inspection on it, we replaced the 4 tires, replaced both axles, rear shocks, front and back brake pads and rotors.
We got a tremendous amount of support. Our very good partner, Napa, 10 minutes of me explaining to him what the situation was and what we needed. I got a call from a warehouse here in Chicago offering all the parts, no cost, up to the Crystal Lake Napa store the very next morning for us.
It took us all together about 4 days to do all this work and installing the ramp, but we did finish it last Sunday around 5 o'clock. Once Henry will be certified, we'll be installing hand control so he can actually drive this van the way he wants to be.
When Windy City Live found out what we were doing, they invited Henry and his family down to surprise him with it.
As you know, you got a whole lot of people that care about you a lot. On behalf of Midas and 800 Charity Cars and Project Spark, we'd like to give you these keys for the van that we were able to modify to hopefully make you and your family's lives just a little bit easier.
Thank you very much.
Very good.
It's going to be a huge help. Definitely be able to get that independence back, and once I'm able to drive, it's going to be even better because I can go on my merry way and actually be able to do something by myself.
Henry's a very selfless guy. He spends a lot of time coaching, very independent, didn't rely on anybody but himself, and this accident's really changed it. So we're feeling good about this. However, Henry has a long way to go. There's a lot more that needs to be done for him to fully get his independence back. And I would encourage everybody out there to visit his GoFundMe page and give. So when you think about it, Sam and all his technicians, 1-800-CHARITY-CARS, Midas, Jim Glazer and his customer, Dale Duckert, our great partner Napa, they all came together to make this happen.
So I can't wait. I can't wait till I can get on the road and just let the wind blow in my hair. Just can't wait.